Hello everyone, welcome back to Mallikaarjun channel. This is Mallikarjun. So this is again going to be one of the continuation series for my RMAN backup and recovery scenarios, where in our previous videos we have seen couple of recovery scenarios: control file lost, data block lost, and data file lost, all table space or data file corrupted. So and SP file lost, how you can restore. So these all scenarios we have seen it. Right now we are dealing with this control file corruption scenario. So if I can go to that, as I explained, I am explaining this control file scenarios in 5 cases. In my previous scenario, I explained about case 1 and case 2. And today I'm going to deal with this case 3, where lost of all control files using recovery catalog, but not using a flash recovery area. So I want to restore my control file with the help of my recovery catalog database, with the backup information from the recovery catalog. Right, so we'll start quickly this technical discussion, technical analysis for this case 3. So before I get started with the today's session, if you're new to my channel, always go back to YouTube and search for Malik034, and then please do subscribe. If you like my videos, don't forget give your thumbs up, and please share with your friends and colleagues. And if you missed out my previous videos, you can always refer it in my YouTube channel Malik034. Right, so let's start with the today's session, that is case 3. I'll directly jump into case 3 session. Where is the case 3? Yep, case 3 is here. Lost of all control files and how you can restore it, how you can recover it using your recovery catalog instead of your FRA, that is flash recovery area or fast recovery area, right? So where if you can see here, I'm just doing a restore control file. I'm not mentioning anything like from the auto backup or from the backup location. I'm not mentioning anything. I'm just using restore database. I'll just connect to my recovery catalog and I'll do restore control file. So if you fire this command, control file auto backup enabled or control file auto backup is not enabled, doesn't matter. Your control file will be restored with the help of your recovery catalog, because recovery catalog will be having your control file information. So that will provide the latest control file and that will be restored here. So let's quickly jump into the today's session. So let's see. Okay, I have my dev database and I have my cat database, that is a recovery catalog database, and the dev database is here. So what I'll do, I'll just quickly connect to my dev database. I will just go to this. I have one more prompt here. Right, .env. Okay, so dev database is already set. I'll connect to database, show parameter recovery. Right, okay, show parameter control. So I have two control file here. I'm simulating the failure here. I'm just directly removing my control, both the control files, control file 01 and control file 02. Right, both the control files are deleted now. So now I'll connect back to database. I'll try to shut immediate. You can see control file unable to open. It is not able to locate my control file because I lost all the control files. I am not able to do any of the operation at my database level. So only option is shut down, shut abort, or kill your database process. Shut abort. So my DB is down now. Grab S1. See, my only recovery catalog database is running. So if I connect back to my database and try to do the startup, it will not be able to start. It will just read my P file or SP file and it will start instance, but it will not be able to find my control file with this Vara 00205 error in identifying control file. So I'll not be able to start my database without control file, right? So I'll do shut immediate again. So then how you can restore it, right? There are many ways, like we are currently dealing with this restoration of control file, right? So we already seen a couple of recovery scenarios, but in these scenarios I want to recover that control file using my recovery catalog. So what I'll do, I'll just connect to my RMAN. Okay, then I'll go to this window where I'll connect to my RMAN target. I'll verify what INV is set. Or env. Okay, dev db is set, RMAN target slash, yeah, my database is shut down, because I only shut down about because I'm not able to start my database because of I lost all my control file. Right now I'll do connect to catalog and RMAN cat and password and CATDB. So I'll connect to my recovery catalog, right, connected to recovery catalog database, and now I'll do startup nomount. You can see here it is starting up. Oracle instance is started, and my instance is started. If I go back, if I do small, you can see dev database is started now. So now what I'll do, I will simply fire this command, restore control file. I'll not give restore control file from auto backup, or I'll not give restore control file using that the control file backup location. I'll not give anything. I'll just simply give restore control file. So my recovery catalog is smart enough to give the my control file backup information, and that will be restored. You can see here control file 01, control file 02, both are restored. And if I can go here, if I can do ll, see I got this one control file, and if I do this one ll, you can see I got the second control file as well. So both the control files are restored, and the next command is alter database mount, recover database, and open with reset logs. Alter database mount, and the next command is recover database. It is doing alter database mount because I'm able to mount my database. I got my both the control files. See, my database is mounted now. Now I'll do recover database. It will do the recovery, and it will apply all the archives or incremental backup, whatever, and then I can start alter database, open reset log. Right, like when you restore your control file, you have to open your database with the reset log, and the new incursion will start, and your database will start with the new the SAN number, and all the archive logs, everything will be reset. Right, full resync complete. Right, your database is open now. So now I'll go back, I'll connect back to my database, select name comma open underscore mode from $v database. Right, so read write and show parameter. Right, I have both the control file 1 and control file are restored now. So this is about the case 3, how to restore your control file using your recovery catalog instead of your flash recovery area. So in my next session I will start with case number 4, and that is loss of your control file and not using either of your recovery catalog or your flash recovery area. Then how you can restore your control file. So we'll see it in next session, guys. Thank you.